So for the past couple of days, I've been testing out the Terunsoul True Dual 4K dash cam. The true part is that you have a 4K camera in the front and a 4K camera in the back. Usually with other dash cams, you may have the 4K dash cam in the front, but that rear camera is either 720p or 1080p, meaning you're missing on tons of detail and quality between the two cameras. Not here. 4K, 4K, you're all set, plenty of detail. On top of that, GPS live tracking and also GPS recorded history tracking from your videos where you can view that information later when you go into the app. And yeah, there's app support too. It also has a G sensor, so when the dash cam detects maybe a collision, it'll lock in the videos from that collision so you can access it later. Also, some very impressive night vision as well. You'll notice that the wide dynamic range of this camera does great in the light, extremely light environments, and also low light environments like nighttime as well. Plus, it has app support, so you can view your files, view live footage, or download the files directly to your phone. Let's talk about the setup, because for me, it took about 2 minutes to set up my forward-facing camera, 5 minutes total for the front camera and the rear camera. It comes with all the accessories that you need to hide all the wires and get yourself going, but it's really simple to install. One of the things that I really like about this camera is that it has a suction cup mount, meaning a lot of other cameras, they have like a double-sided tape, and while it's secure, man, if you want to move it, it is tough and it may leave a mark. And for me, I feel like it may damage my camera because it's so hard to move. But because of the suction cup, I can move it wherever I want on my windshield. I can move it from my car to my wife's car, or if I want to give this away to like my kids, it's not damaging my windshield or the camera, which is a huge plus. Also, a 128 gigabit card, plenty of space to record your 4K videos that keep looping throughout the day continuously as this is recording. Okay, let's talk about the quality of the 4K video, because as you've been seeing, it does look pretty impressive, but I really got to harp on that wide dynamic range. Whenever I'm driving, especially when the sun is really out, I'm always impressed how it's catching that beautiful blue sky. The sky doesn't look overblown, it's not too dark, it's always finding that perfect exposure for that. I love how the colors pop, and of course the detail is there. I'm able to read license plates, numbers off vehicles, off buildings. Again, plenty of detail from the front and back. Same thing for night vision as well. You're still getting plenty of detail when driving at night and recording at night at the same time. You may come across maybe some lens flares from the lights, from the traffic lights, or maybe the cars, but the detail is still there and everything's still very readable and viewable. Going back to the camera, you can adjust the tilt of the camera if you want to find that perfect angle, again, from the front and the back. And to finish this off, you can connect your smartphone directly to your dash cam and view live footage in real time for the front and back. You can also switch between both cameras from your phone, track speed, GPS information, live GPS information. You can either record or take a picture from your phone, or look at the previous recordings, choose files from the front or back, and view. And at the same time, you can download those specific files directly to your smartphone to view it later. The camera itself does have several buttons on it, like a mode, lock, power, a camera button, up, down, select, and OK button. You can switch the camera view from the camera. You have a display here that can view as well, and also change out different settings of your dash cam. All right, let me give you my final thoughts. First of all, I love how the 4K video is sharp on both sides. It looks great. I love how it has a suction cup where I can move it anywhere on my dash cam, and the wide dynamic range of the video is awesome because no matter where I'm looking in the sky, I'm getting the right exposure. All right, really hope this video helped you out. Take care.